In this second video on working with tiles, you'll learn to add tiles to the start screen, create tile groups, and display tiles for advanced system utilities. You can add tiles to the start screen that launch applications, display web pages, and show favorite contact records. Most user-created tiles are of the former types, so I'll show you now how to create your own application and web page tiles. To add a tile for a program that isn't already on the start screen, right-click the screen and then click the All Apps icon. Next, find the program icon. Let's create a tile for WordPad, for example. Right-click it and click Pin to Start. When you return to the start screen, you'll see the new program tile. If desired, you can change the tile's position by dragging it to a new location. To create a web page tile, launch Internet Explorer and display the page that you want to create the tile for. To create a tile from the Windows 8 app, start by clicking Internet Explorer. Then when it launches, find the web page that you want to display. In this case, let's use Newegg. Click the Pin to Start icon, and then name it. In this case, we'll edit the name to just newegg.com. When you're done editing, click Pin to Start. When you return to the start screen, you'll see that a tile has been created for the web page and that it's linked to the Windows 8 start screen app. We can create one for the desktop version of Internet Explorer. Find the page, click the Tools menu, and then choose Add Site to Start Screen. Click Add in the confirmation dialog box that appears. When you go back to the start screen, you'll see that a tile has been added for this version as well. This one is linked to the desktop app, and this one is linked to the start screen app. To make it easier for you to find your favorite applications, tiles can be organized into tile groups. You might want to put all video creation and editing applications into a single video group, for example. To create a tile group, find one tile that you want to include in the group, and then drag it to the far right, just beyond the divider. Then drag any additional tiles that you also want to include into the group. In this instance, I'm creating an Office 2013 group. As you can see, the Word tile was dragged a little too far, so I'll put it back into the group. To name or rearrange the tile groups, click the minus icon in the bottom right corner of the display. That brings you into Apps Overview mode. To name a group, such as the Office tiles, right-click the group, click the Name Group icon in the Apps bar, and then type a name for the group. In this case, Office 2013. To rearrange tile groups, all you have to do is click and drag. When you're finished, click anywhere to return to the start screen. As you can see, now we have an Office 2013 group here in the middle and properly labeled. Now, if you've used Windows 8 for a little while, you may be wondering where the system utilities such as defrag have gone. These advanced utilities are known collectively as the administrative tools and by default are hidden. To reveal them, open the Charms bar, click Settings, click Tiles, and then drag the slider to the Yes position. Wait a few moments, and apps for those tiles will now magically appear. To hide them again when you're done, repeat this procedure but move the slider to Off. Note that if you regularly use some of these programs, you may want to pin them to the Start menu as well.